And then hence Tawas and Detroit and here, there, and everywhere. So we just jump in and do what we got to do.
And I see our choppers in the air. Going to go like one quick.
Jewelers, Thorpe Printing Services, B-Word Lumber, LaFontaine, GMC Ford, Hamlin Pub, LaCroix's, Riverside Pub, Murphy's and Medina's, DeMarco. Some beverages, having some food. We've also got some live street entertainment. We're going to be doing the trophy ceremony down there today too. So still lots of great things. Come on out here. Lots of great food options in the city of St. Clair. 30 years, Ralph. I know my favorite line is 30.
They're going to have their own race for race number 3 today. Those are those 30-foot boats, 30 to 35-foot boat, twin outboards. They run well over 100 miles per hour. That's going to be a good run with them out there.
I'll tell you, Ralph, I walked down early and grabbed myself a shirt out of this Motor City Marketplace. It's got a new flagship store. Brewer, Mashburn Motors, McLaren, Ford here in Riversbend, Marina. Got Stanley Liquor, Huffmaster, AAA Insurance, and Sweet Tooth. Give you a chance to locate right.
Tom's got his camera set up and everything, so. No, there's no shade here.